This is size 12 light wire hook, and the thread I'm using is block 80. For the body I'm using closed cell foam. It's been cut like 5-7 millimeter wide. You can cut smaller if you are using size 14 or 16. And for the post, actually, it's just to on top of the fly where I can see clearly where the actual fly is. I'm going to cut this little piece from the Booby eye cylinder, which is a pink, vibrant pink color. I'll explain the rest of the material as I go along. So first thing, add some wax on the thread, and just start just below the eye. All the way down to the bend, just about here. Just more wax. Now we use the foam, so just about create a little point. That's better. And take your time, secure it nicely, and back up. Let's make sure it sits in the middle. It doesn't have to sit in the middle, but just do it when you're happy. And add some more wax on here. Okay, let's add some more wax, and I'm going to add, this is a mixed dubbing with the black and red and some UV mixed together. So it's black and red, some UV synthetic dubbing. Just take your time and make sure you cover all this. That's fine. Okay, I'm gonna add some legs here, which is I'm using black deer hair, and I've got a few fiber in this little magic tool, as you can see. So what you have to do here, add some wax and open the thread by spinning anti-clockwise. Use a little pin and split it equally. Split the thread and then as you can see, catch these little deer hair legs in it gently. And now you can spin your bobbin or any tool you are using to secure them. Okay, I think they're secure enough now. And now just kind of wrap them around and make sure you open your thread again, unwind your thread, wax again, and do a couple more time, and kind of make sure they are equally on either side. Now Just catch from the top and secure it nicely. Just kind of pull everything back, and a couple of more turn. Looks alright actually. Now take this extra piece, and for a hot spot I would say, just it's for myself actually, I normally put this on so when I cast out this fly I can see where exactly is on the water. So as you can see, I took this little piece off and just gently kind of catch it right in the middle. Then pull everything back. We finish. You can add varnish if you want. Okay, that's done, and then I'll just kind of make this head a bit round. That looks okay. Now if you pull these leg, so there we have foam beetle. Works really well in autumn. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you very much for watching.